Welcome back to Vlogmas episode 4.
This morning we're actually heading to Aloha Tofu because they reached out and said they wanted to gift us something for the holidays, and that is so kind of them. So we decided to get some nandings, and of course you can't show up empty-handed.
Does this place look familiar, guys? That's because we're back here at Aloha Tofu.
Hey!
Oh, how's it going?
Good, how you doing?
Hi.
Brought you guys some nandings. Yeah, for you and the crew.
Thank you very much.
I didn't know they had holiday gift basket. So next time you guys want a unique holiday gift for your friends and loved ones, check out Aloha Tofu. They even have okara white cookies.
It's a mele kalihi maka. It's like, kalihi businesses.
Yeah.
Like coffee, diamond bakery. Please choose one.
It's like Aloha Tofu
Oh, that's cute.
gift set. I'll show you.
Yes.
Amanda uses this every day. The tofu container. Yeah, this is all the other local businesses here in Kalihi. You get this gift basket, Diamond Bakery, Lion Coffee Company, and of course Aloha Tofu, which we all did, by the way. Feature them on our channel.
This has a shoyu too. Let's do this one.
It's a slight difference, you know. This one has the cookbook, so maybe this one is.
Yeah, maybe that.
Yeah, maybe this one.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you.
Oh.
So
I know you guys already are closing, but we got you guys.
Oh, you did all of them. I won't share.
Thank you so much.
No, I mean, you know, we started with you guys at the beginning of the year, right? Because you guys introduced everything, and it's been wonderful this year. So
Good.
appreciate. Everybody says they see you guys stuff, so
Oh wow.
I mean, I'm sure you guys are probably growing your viewership too, right? But just keep it up. You guys are doing great.
Thank you.
Awesome.
So we just got out of Aloha Tofu and they were so nice. We met with the owner Paul, who gave us the tour back in our Aloha Tofu video. If you guys seen that, or if you haven't seen that, check it out. We'll leave it linked down below. But yeah, he was just telling us how many of you guys have gone to the factory, mentioned that you saw Aloha Tofu featured on Amanda and Felix Eats, and from the bottom of our heart, we really cannot say how thankful we are for you guys for showing up for the Foodie Ohana, showing up for these small local businesses, and he's just such a great guy. So make sure you check them out. Again, we'll leave the video and the links down in the description below. But now we're actually heading to Felix's favorite place, Chinatown.
It's not my favorite place, but my best friend is there, so we're gonna drop off some holiday treats for him and his family.
Hopefully it's not crazy in Chinatown.
It's crazy.
We are in Chinatown.
Thank you. Thanks.
We are doing our annual Christmas City Lights, of course, with the Lucy.
We wanted to come a little bit before sundown. That way it's not too busy, but it's still really busy. Yeah, we're just waiting for the sun to go down and then we're gonna take some pictures. She's not amused.
This is the Christmas tree theme for this year. Every year it's something different. Oh, it's the 40th anniversary.
Yeah, let's take a picture. Guys, this is kind of new. It's like some kind of like Christmas tunnel and everything. Not really sure what it is. And also on the walls, they have all these different light features that are moving. Yeah, that's new as well. I guess this year they upgraded their equipment.
I think it's because it's the 40th anniversary.
Oh yeah, it's the 40th anniversary too, you guys. That's pretty cool. Oh look, her hat's standing straight.
She does not like the hat.
She hates it.
Right, Furi Ohana, that's gonna wrap up Vlogmas episode 4. We hope you guys had a fun time because we did. This is the first time they introduced this light show tunnel for the city lights, and it is pretty cool. It's fun.
And you guys, this is our last video of the whole 2024. Thank you guys so much for spending your Christmas with us and your whole year with us. Hopefully next year you guys will continue to follow and support us. We really hope you guys enjoy our videos. And again, we want to say a big thank you, a big mahalo to all of you guys for supporting us. We truly, truly appreciate it.
We hope you guys had an amazing year. 2025 is coming up right around the corner. We're gonna be on our trip. If you guys missed it, we're gonna be in Vietnam. So stay tuned for that when we get back.
With 2025 coming up, let us know any places or any food spots or any ideas for videos, concepts you guys have. We'd love to hear them all. Leave it down in the comments. And
also leave down I don't know, something memorable that happened to you this past year.
yes. What's one thing that happened to us this year?
I believe the UK trip was the most memorable thing for us this year. And if you guys haven't caught those videos yet, what have you been up to? Check it out, check out the playlist.
And again, you guys, thank you so much for spending your 2024 with us and your 2024 holiday season. We hope you enjoyed our Vlogmas. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And we will see you guys in 2025.
Right, Furi Ohana, stay safe. Happy holidays.
Happy New Year.
Mele Kaliki Maka. Guys, take care, take it easy.
Haoli makahiki ho. Bye
Yes.
guys.
These are the good times with you, baby. This year it's just gonna be you and me, hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it is supposed to be? Making our Christmas memory.
Which way are you?
Kindly got guided.
I don't know,
What is
man.
it called? Guided? Toured? Oh.
Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 4. No, just Vlogmas 4, right?
Episode 4.
I believe the UK trip was the most memorable thing. Alright guys, Amanda was laughing at me. Tell them why you're laughing at me.
You look like a kid that was sweaty and playing on the playground.
Me after PE class is what Amanda was saying.